Hello viewers, welcome to Easy Olympiad Maths. This is IGKO paper for class 3 year 2017. These are questions from the original question paper with answers at the end of video. In this video you will learn what type of questions are generally asked in GK Olympiad. The first section is general awareness. Question 1. Rearrange the jumbled words to find the name of a transport that hovers in the sky. Now options A, B, C, D. Some jumbled words are given. Rearrange them to find the name of a transport that hovers in the sky. Question number 2. Which organ in our body is protected by the bones shown in the given picture? Now see the picture and see the bones shown in the given picture. Which organ in our body is protected by these bones? A. Heart, B. Leg, C. Arm, D. Brain. Which festival are the children celebrating in the picture? Now see the picture. Which festival are the children celebrating? A. Christmas, B. Eid, C. Diwali, D. Holi. Fourth, which of these pictures when joined together form the word dragonfly? Now see the options A, B, C, D. Which of these pictures when joined together form the word dragonfly? Fifth, Mohit bought 150 liters of paint. He used 70 liters of paint for his house and 40 liters for his friend's house. How much paint is left with him? So Mohit bought 150 liters of paint. 70 liters used for his house and 40 liters used for friend's house. Now how much paint is left with him? A. 35 liters, B. 50 liters, C. 40 liters, D. 30 liters. Sixth, which country's team always marches last in the march past at the opening ceremony of the Olympics? Which country's team always marches last in the march past at the opening ceremony of the Olympics? A. Current Olympic host country, B. First Olympic host country, C. Previous year's Olympic host country, D. Next Olympic host country. Which among the following dances belongs to Punjab? Now see the options A, B, C, D. Choose which dance belongs to Punjab. Which one of these clothes do you wear during winters? So see the options A, B, C, D. Which clothes do you wear during winters? Question 9th. In which city the Gateway of India is located? Gateway of India located in which city? A. Jaipur, B. Mumbai, C. Kolkata, D. Chennai. Which of these animals can live both on land and in water? A. Elephant, B. Lion, C. Frog, D. Giraffe. Which one of these words rhymes with the word sad? A. Mad, B. Sad, C. Made, D. Crab. 12th. Which one of the following signs means no parking? Now see the signs in options A, B, C, D. Which sign means no parking? Look at the given pictures carefully and select the odd one out. Now see the pictures in option A, B, C, D and select the odd one out. Question 14. Our currency is rupee. What is the currency of Thailand? A. Baht, B. Taka, C. Ringgit, D. Rupee. Question 16. This movie tells the story of a polar bear and his three Arctic lemming buddies who are forced out into the world once their icy homes begins to melt and break apart. Which movie are we talking about? A. Norm of the North, B. Pat's Dragon, C. Finding Dory, D. Kung Fu Panda 3. Question 17. To which neighboring country of India does the flag belong? Now see the flag. To which country, neighboring country of India, does this flag belong? A. Bangladesh, B. Sri Lanka, C. Nepal, D. Bhutan. The person in the picture is a Bollywood actor. Identify him. A. Ranveer Singh, B. Ranbir Kapoor, C. Imran Khan, D. Irfan Khan. 19th. Rahul is wearing shoes with wheels attached to them. Which sport is he playing? A. Ice skating, B. Skiing, C. Roller skating, D. Surfing. 20. Tina gets the following notes and coins as her pocket money. How much money does Tina have? Now count the money shown in the picture and choose the correct option. Who is the current Home Minister of India? A. Narendra Modi, B. Arun Jaitley, C. Rajnath Singh, D. None of these. Current Home Minister of India. 22. Who is the wicket keeper of the Indian cricket team? Wicket keeper of the Indian cricket team. A. Virat Kohli, B. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, C. Shikhar Dhawan, D. None of these. 23rd. Which animated movie won the Best Animated Film Award at the 64th National Film Awards in 2017? A. Delhi Safari, B. Mahabharat, C. Mahayodha Rama, D. Dhanak. Now these were current affairs in 2017. They can be asked in general awareness also. Who among the following won the historic 10th French Open title? A. Roger Federer, B. Rafael Nadal, C. Andy Murray, D. Stan Wawrinka. Which city in India has been declared as the cleanest city in 2017? A. Bhopal, B. Chandigarh, C. Indore, D. Surat. Life skills. 26th. When a teacher is teaching in the class, you should A. Play games with your friends, B. Pay attention, C. Keep on talking to your friends, D. Go to washroom. Question 27th. What should we do to save water? A. Close the tap when not in use, B. Keep the tap open when not in use, C. Take bath 4 times a day, D. Take bath once a week. Question 28. Suppose you go to your friend's birthday party and there you see a lot of tasty food. What should you do? A. You should take only that much food as needed. B. You should eat more than you need. C. You should waste the food. D. None of these. Question 29. If you wish to score good marks in exams, then you should A. Work hard, B. Sleepless, C. Cheating during exams, D. Never listen to a teacher. 30. Which one of the following is a good habit? A. Hurting your classmates, B. Saying bad words to others, C. Always respecting elders, D. Disobeying your parents. Match the columns and select the correct options. In column 1, the pictures of some vegetables is given. You have to match them correctly with their name in column 2. 32. Which of the following correctly shows the water level when a beaker of water is tilted? So, which correctly shows the water level when a beaker of water is tilted? See the option and choose the correct answer. 33. Look at the given picture. How many shapes have only 4 sides? 33. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Kerala, D. Tamil Nadu. Study the given figure. Which of the following personalities best represents X? Now X is a former shooter as well as a politician. The options are A. Navjot Singh Sidhu, B. Sushil Kumar, C. Rajyavardhan Singh Rathod, D. None of these. Check answers of all questions here. Thanks for watching. Write in the comments what type of video you want to see.